Yeah, I've got the chains and the other parts on the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm cleaning those up. Here I got my ultrasonic cleaner set to 41 degrees Celsius. Here's the timer. I got it off of eBay for like $140 or something like that. I've had it for over a year. Now I rinsed all my parts in this water, and I rinsed them again in some fresh water. Now I have all my parts, smaller parts, in this ice cream bucket. It has a bunch of holes in it, and I got this hair dryer inside of a hole that I made, and I got it on low, and it'll take care of all the water that's on the parts. Put it on high, but I just set it on low, that way I can do other things. You don't want to overheat it, or the movement parts will come out a different color. Some people put their parts in 2 parts water and then 1 part alcohol. I don't like using alcohol. I find that after you dry them off with the hair dryer, it discolors the parts, and I don't like it. Now in the meantime, I cleaned up the case using Old English oil, and I believe those were for artificial plants. Yeah, one time some of them came out with artificial plants, but I cleaned both the outside and the inside of a clock. This particular clock has got this weather dial that screws down into the top, so it's ready for the movement to be installed. Again, I hope you all are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.